Hey guys, so our mixer and grinder was broken, so we needed a new grinder and a mixer at home. And I went through multiple ones from Kenwood to Jolens to Panasonic, and this is the West Point one. And I like this one as compared to others based on its stainless steel jar and everything stainless steel, and even the color combination. I really liked it, so I have ordered this one. And before I thought I gave it to my wife, and it does not look new like right now. I thought I should unbox it on my channel and share it with you guys, and then give it to my wife. So let me share it with you. We have this warranty card and a brush, a cleaning plate type, fully plastic. And let's bring out this one. This is our main jar, this dedicated area where you can lock it so that all the things are at the same place. I think one is inside this one, and one jar is this one. Let me actually share the model as well. This is WF361 West Point, made by West Point. The model number is WF367. So that's this one. Okay, so as you can see, fully stainless steel. The reason I bought it is again fully stainless steel. There is a paper kind here. I think I will need something to bring this one out. Again, stainless steel, plastic. So the covers are plastic. Yeah, this is also plastic, but this area is stainless steel. The handle has a stainless steel cover as well. Overall, a very nice looking mixer as well. Like the combination of the red, black and stainless steel, it gives it a really nice look. And let's see how it's locking mechanism. Yeah, so it gives a gentle sound so that you can know when it has itself locked, unlocked, locked. Same for this one, locked. So when the locking mechanism is quite satisfactory actually, like when it locks itself, you can actually see a sound. So let me turn it on for you as well. Let's try this one. On the gear side we have, okay, so on the bottom, one thing I forgot to tell is are these speed. The one that uses suction technology, like you put it, they are suction based, so it is difficult to take them out. See, and on this one it will activate pulse, and it has two speed controls, 1 2 1 0 1 2, so two speed controls. Nice feeling. The feeling of the knob is very satisfactory, like it clicks into position when it changes its gear. So two gears, so two speed controls. This is 1 2. The pulse control does not click in so into gear, like you have to keep holding it here for the pulse, and then if you let it go, it will go back to its main position. The gears, they're really good when they lock into their position. So let me turn it on. That's it. Creates a lot of sound. I wish the sound wasn't that high, but I think maybe it's normal for everything. I don't use myself any of these things, so I'm not sure if this is the right sound or not. Maybe if someone experienced is listening it, maybe he can or she can comment on it. But that's it for my side. Like, okay, so this is our mincer jar, mincer and grinder. I think this is the combination. This is our West Point 367 WF 3-in-1. Overall, I think it feels really good. It comes with a 2 years warranty, so if anything happens to its major parts, you can claim the warranty as well. And overall, the main reason I wanted to buy this one, the stainless steel thing. So we'll check it out and let you know how I feel about it. But the first impressions are good. So if based on my first impressions, if anyone is looking for an opinion whether to buy this one or not, you can buy this one. I would recommend you. So yeah, I will leave the link to buy this one and to check price in my video description. And it costed me around $150. So again, check the link for the latest price, and please do share your feedback. Take great care of yourself. Bye.